Hey guys, Portia here. Before you get into this video, this is a repost video from my previous plant channel that I had and I no longer have. I wanted to move all of my planty content over to this channel, dovedarby. So if you're interested in anything plants or plant related, it will be here now. And I hope you enjoy the following video.
Hey guys, so we are unboxing an order from Jenisprouts. I'm not exactly sure how to say it, but Jenisprouts. This is the box I ordered for plants. And yes, we are in the back of my car. We're in the trunk. Excuse any mess. Okay, I have a real trunk. We ain't trying to be cute. Look, we put stuff back here. The reason I'm filming from my car in the trunk is because my daughter is in camp this week and I wanted to not have to go all the way on the other side of the town back to my house, so we are here. So I'll be unboxing it from my trunk while she's at camp, and yeah, hopefully you'll be able to see everything clearly. So here we go. Alright, so first off, let's talk about this packaging. Wow. So we got some little packing peanuts in here, keeping everything nice and secure. We got a card. She's saying thanks. Thank you, Jenisprouts. Alright, so let's get into, wow, this one's huge. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Alright, so you see she has her label right there, and it's taped up very nicely. So that's one right there. You see how tall it is. Alright, and we got 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so let's open each one and see what it's looking like. Alright, so excuse me for not having a tripod, but that's what we're working with. Alright, so you see there's fiber fill covering the plant. Let's scoot this over. Alright. Oh. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, so this is I ordered the philodendron fuzzy petal, and that's what this is. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. I seen one of these in person at my local gardening center, but it was like so expensive. Alright, let me finish unpacking it so y'all can see it like fully. Alright guys, so here's a better view. Wow, look at this. There is a little bit of leaf damage, but that's okay. That's okay. It should feel so good. Oh my gosh, look how big this leaf is. Oh my gosh. And she got a new one coming in right here. You can see new leaf right there. Wow, this thing is huge, and it looks like it's packed in sphagnum moss right there. Wow, look at that. Like once it adjusts and like the leaves like fall back down and all that, like, oh wow, this is gonna be nice. Like I literally did not expect it to be this big. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, like I said, like this one was actually cheaper than the one I saw locally at my local plant store. They were asking like double the price of what I paid for this. And this one is bigger. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, so here's my next two. So first up, we have an Alocasia black velvet. Yes. So this is my first Alocasia. I've never had one. But I had been, you know, looking at other people with them and was considering purchasing one. And the black velvet kind of seemed down my alley for right now. So, yeah, look at that. So we got 2 nice leaves, and we got a 3rd one coming in. Look at the backs, y'all. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. Look at that. Yes. Alright, and it also is in sphagnum. I don't know if like all the media is sphagnum or if it's just like sphagnum on top to keep things nice and you know, hydrated and you know, for the transition and everything in the shipping. But looks like everything has that sphagnum moss on top. So, and this next one, now I hadn't heard of this peperomia before, but it is a peperomia keto. Let me show you the tag so you can see how that's spelled. All right, so right there, peperomia keto. All right, we got a leaf down. Okay, but the picture on the website was really beautiful. Like the coloration in these leaves, like just stood out to me. So, and I love like these rippled leaves. Like they look very cute. So I like the texture. So, so yeah, that's why I purchased this one. And like I said, I hadn't seen, I'm just removing some of the dead leaves, y'all. Yeah, I hadn't seen a keto before, so I was like, let me get that. You know, it's cheap and it's cute, so let me get it. So yeah, so that's what this is. So it's like a mix of green and reds. So pretty. Okay. All right, and let me unpack the last one. All right, and finally, I ordered a orchid, which is a Makotis patola. Now, if you guys have seen my, what do you call it? My orchid collection video, you already know that I own one of these. However, it has been through some things, and so it's super tiny now, and it's recovering. So I wanted to order another one to pot up with that one, just to make a fuller pot. And yeah, look at that. So cute. I know, like I'm trying to get some good lighting so you can see the veining and how it sparkles. Can y'all see that? Hopefully. It's kind of an overcast day today, and I'm in my trunk, so you know. But yeah, very, very nice. So I learned from last time getting one of these, I need to like keep it in this pot that it ships in for longer, because I think I unpotted my last one too soon, and that's what led to its downfall. So so I'm gonna keep this in here for a while, and then I'll eventually pot it up with the other one. So but yeah, those are my plans. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me bring everything, if I can bring everything to the front. Hold on one second. All right, here we are. Hopefully you can see everything somewhat. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below. And be sure to check out Jenisprouts. I know she, or I don't know if it's just a woman or if it's a couple, I don't know. But be sure to check them out on Instagram as well by the same name. And check out their website. They have some really good prices. So yeah, I was able to get these for not too much money. So that's always good. And be sure to check me out on Instagram as well at Darby's Plants. I'm over there posting plant content several times a week. So be sure to show me some love. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.